Good afternoon, everyone. This is Virgil down here at Banshee Parts and Accessories. As you can see by the way we started the video out, Janelle had a real good close view of the cylinder heads there. Those are the cylinders. Those are Athena cylinders on here. Those are 68 millimeter Athena cylinders. So this is a big bore. It's either like 392cc or 400cc. And it has also the Athena head on there. And the nice thing about the Athena head is it's actually like a cool head. It has interchangeable domes on there, even though it looks more factory or original cylinder head. It doesn't look like a cool head. So those the cylinder head and the cylinders all are a kit to make this a big bore. This engine runs really good. I ran it up and down the street and it was wanting to wheelie over on me when it would come up on the pipes there. It's got FMF pipes followed by Toomey stingers and Toomey silencers. This engine's a really nice sound engine, doesn't have any chain whack, doesn't seem to have any leaks. The carburetors, I had to drill and tap and put idle screws in them. They work really good, they carburate really good. You'll see that in the video. And so this frame's a really nice frame. It has all of the mounts and everything on it. It has the heel guard mounts, it has the tabs for the rear fenders, it has all the tabs for the front as well. It is a nice billet aluminum front bumper. I'm not sure who the maker is of that one. Has headlights work, has a nice wiring harness on it, has a nice almost a race style gripper seat. The seat kind of pulls down the back area. That's kind of a race style. The gripper seat works really good, so it grips you so you can hang on really good. Has matching anodized V-bars. Most of the time our V-bars come in, they're chrome, but these happen to be anodized blue. Has an ASV anodized front brake lever. Even the chain is blue. Haven't mentioned, but this is a 1993 chassis. According to the VIN, it's 1993. Been a clean bike. Has ODI grips on those anodized blue V-bars. I really like those ODI grips. I have those on my bike. I'm becoming more and more accustomed to the gripper seat. I may end up with a gripper seat on my bike at one point. So that pretty much covers this bike, guys. We buy all kinds of bikes in all kinds of condition, running or not, ugly or nice. This one happens to be a really nice one. It'll be coming up on our website. The website is redo-parts.com, or you can call us at 541-419-6054. Have a great day, everyone. CDI in it.